Hi everyone, it's Christina, and I'm just going to show you some envelopes that I've been working on. So I've been making a bunch of them, not necessarily to send out, but just to sort of keep in my drawer here and just have them on hand if I want to send out a little note or a card or a hello or thinking of you or anything to somebody. Then I'll just have them all ready to go. So here's the first one. This one is more like Halloween fall themed, and I got this really pretty paper at my local crafting store here, but a bunch of Halloween fall paper. So at the end I'll show you how I make them. And so this one I used my ATG and I just glued some seam binding all around and added some embellies here and some roses. And then I just undo it and open it up, and then I just make a little note, like a card for the inside, for the insert here. Well, that's one, and this is the other one. And I put, oh yeah, and I forgot to say, it also has these little pockets in the back here too that you could slip some little, cute little goodies in there. So this one I took some lace. I didn't tie it in a bow, I just have it hanging here. And added some string pearls and crocheted flower, a little butterfly. And this one is together, or holds together with some Velcro here. And then open it up. And I made a couple little note cards here. A fairy one. And I haven't finished the back here. And then this one, it's not really finished. When it comes time, I guess, to use them, I might do some stamping on them, and in the back here I could write my note or a little letter. And then in the back here there's some pockets too, so the leftover paper I just tucked in here. Oh, actually this one opens up both ways, I forgot. On some of them I flip it over and I glue them, and some of them I've left it open. And on this side I had leftover paper, and I can just tuck that in here and make a little another little note card or something. And this one, and just here's some lace and tied a bow, made a little stick pin here, little Webster's. Forget what these are called. I know that they're by Webster's though. Little flowers here. I have this rub-on that says beautiful, and this opens up. And then this little card here, which I used a transparency. And again, nice little spot to do some journaling or a cute little letter to send somebody. And in the back, little pockets here. Another one. This one's really pretty. And then I try to make the little cards inside coordinate with the color of the envelope, and all the paper is just so pretty. And in the back, see? So I'm really liking those. Here's some more I made that aren't finished. I'm not sure how I'm gonna decorate the front here with lace or seam binding. And I used the same paper for the note card. So how I make those envelopes is I take one piece of 12 by 12 cardstock, and I use quite a heavy piece of cardstock that is double-sided, and then I fold it over, and I use my bone folder to crease it. Then I open it up, turn it around, fold it again, open it up, and then I take the corner and bring it up to the center. I just do that all around. Okay, and then I take, doesn't matter where you're going to fold this now, but you're going to take, whoops, you're going to flip it over this way and fold it over, crease it, and then I flip this piece over, and I'm just going to snip this away. And then I would just take some glue and just put some glue here and here, and then these two pieces would be glued together, and that would be your flap. And then you could take some lace and run your ATG down here and your ATG here, and then wrap some lace around it so you'd have a tie in the bottom. You could also put this underneath your sewing machine and say start say your stitch here and stitch all the way up, stitch, stitch, and stitch down here, and have that nice sort of a zigzag sewing machine effect all around. That would look really nice. And that's it. And then you just, yeah, sort of, you know, you do your embellishments on here, and then make a little note card to go inside. And you can even use these pockets here. So that's what I've been working on. Actually, I've been working on a few other things, so I guess I'm going to have to do another video, and I'll show you that too. So that's it, everybody. Bye.